Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today is a new episode of How To. This little man finna teach you how to make
cough syrup.
yes, cherry cough syrup.
Yeah.
Tell him the recipe.
So pretty much, you have to get half of it filled with Dr. Pepper.
Oh,
then
yeah.
2/4 of the way left. 1/4 will be so 1/8 of it will be cherry flavoring. You should put 3 squirts.
3 pumps of
three
cherry
pumps
flavoring.
of cherry flavoring.
Look at it. Tell me that's not appealing. Oh yeah.
Next, you have to put 2 pumps of mango flavoring.
Mango. That's where it's at.
And also peach flavoring.
Ooh. Then didn't you add the?
Half and half.
Then you add a cup of half and half. Not a cup. Not an entire cup. That would be a lot of half and half. You just add like a good squirt of half and half.
Yeah.
And then here comes the secret ingredient to make it. Tell them.
You have to add cherry slushy
Cherry slushy
and mango slushy.
and mango slushy.
And then
a
you
good
get
mix.
this
You get this
amazing drink.
beautiful thing. And that was an episode of How To. See you later. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I know where you live.